In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your chats on WhatsApp. So I'll be showing you two different methods to do this. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on settings in the bottom right hand side of the app. You could then scroll down and click on chats. You could then click on chat backup, and to just go and back up all of the chats that you have on WhatsApp, you can press backup now. And like I said, this will back up all of your conversations. Now, it may be the case that you want to go and back up an individual or a specific conversation instead. Now, to do that, we can come back over to the previous window and you can select export chat. You then just need to go and select the conversation that you want to back up. So I'm going to click on this top one here. You can decide whether you want to back up the media such as the images and the files. I'm going to select attach media. Now, after a couple of seconds, this will save all of the backup data to a zip file, and you can scroll down and click on save to files. You can then click on save in the top right hand side of this page. Now, to go and access this saved data, you can just open up files on your iPhone. You could then click on the zip file in the top left hand side. You could then click on the folder, and here you'll find all of the chat history as well as all of the media images as well.